Hello to our North Orange County community. As we prepare to slowly welcome back our students to campus, I know many of you are wondering what NOCE is doing to ensure the safety of our students and employees. I'm so excited to share that NOCE has been making extensive upgrades to our campuses, including increasing signage, adding hand sanitizer stations, temperature checks, and more. I want to take a moment to walk around the campus today and show you some of the safety measures. And hopefully, I can alleviate some anxieties too. So let's go check it out. One way that we are creating a safe campus is by establishing the first floor student entrance. This entrance is required for all students that enter campus. Here, students will be met by NOCE staff and will perform an intake procedure and temperature checks. This helps us maintain a contact tracing system and helps us to identify students that may be exhibiting symptoms. One other safety measure we have implemented is the new plexiglass barrier. The barrier surrounds the admissions and registration counter. In all public-facing and high-contact areas for our students. Along with the plexiglass, there are additional signs on the floor marking where to stand 6 feet apart and to meet social distancing requirements. NOCE has also implemented the second floor staff check-in and hand sanitizing station area. This entrance is for faculty and staff, and it allows us to maintain a record of those on campus. A hand sanitizer station is also here for those wishing to use it, and a temperature checking kiosk will be installed shortly. Additional hand sanitizer stations have been placed around the campus to use throughout the day. We encourage everyone to use these stations to ensure the cleanliness of our campus. One major step in remaining safe during this pandemic is having a good quality of air filtration and ventilation. I am pleased to introduce Cora Baldovino, District Facilities and Maintenance Manager, who will share a brief overview of the air filtration safety measures and facility cleaning protocols.
Hi, I'm Cora Baldovino and I'm the Facilities and Maintenance Manager at the Anaheim campus. Today we'll be following Matt Mahmood, our Building Maintenance Coordinator, to see how the air filtration system works at the Anaheim campus. Have fun, enjoy the time with him.
Hi everybody, my name is Matt. I am the Building Maintenance Coordinator for the North Orange County Community College District Anaheim campus. I will tell you a short brief about our building. It's a 11-story building. We have an individual air hand unit for each floor, except the first floor a little bit different. It's bigger than the other floors. There are 4 air hand units. Well, since I was working in a hospital, for more than 5 years. So mainly we are using the same system, or maybe even better than there. So let's start with the 4th floor air handling unit. let's go from here. So in each air handling unit, we are using two type of air filters or two layers. First layer, it is the pre-filter, which is MERV 10, and the second layer or the second air filtration system is MERV 15, the final filter. I can show you here. Let's go inside. So this is the first layer of the air filtration system. This is the pre-filter, MERV 10. I can open it and show you the second one, second layer. Can you come here and see it? This is the second layer, the final filter, MERV 15, 95% efficiency. And also we have a differential pressure sensor. It's measuring the airflow pressure across the air filter and the cooling coil. So in case if I have a dirty filter or some filter clogged, then this sensor will send me a notification alarm on the automation system. It says a dirty filter on this unit. I am replacing the air filters every 3 months. The pre-filter and the final filter the final filter replaced once a year when we are doing the major PM on the units every December. This is the cooling coil here. See how it's clean? It looks like brand new. So I show you there the sensor, and this is the other one. So both sensor measuring the differential on the air pressure. If I have a drop pressure, it means that I have a dirty filter. So this is the second sensor. I can show you the dampers. This is the outside air damper. This is the return air damper. And this is, they call it the minimum outside air damper. And also from the outside, I can show you the exhaust air damper. So how the system is working, as far as the outside air temperature, the ambient temperature is colder than the return air, the one is coming from the building, or the outside air enthalpy lower than the return air enthalpy, then the economizer mode will be enabled. So once it's enabled, it's gonna close this damper, okay, and open the outside air damper, and the exhaust air damper, it's here. Maybe I can show it here. Can you see the orange part? This is the actuator. So once the economizer mode enabled, then that damper, exhaust air damper, gonna widely open. Fresh air damper or outside air damper also will open 100%, and they close the return air to allow to get fresh, cold, fresh air and exhaust all the inside air. So we are doing that every day. So we have I think we have a good air quality and fresh air.
Yeah, that's important, especially now with COVID-19.
Yeah.
That we don't have any stagnant air. We bring fresh air in.
Yeah.
And then kicks out stagnant air.
I will show you an example about how the system is economizing. This is the second floor unit, AHU 201. It's located inside the mechanical room. So this is the supply fan, and this is the return fan. Okay, this is, I told you, the supply deck, which is supplying air to the second floor, and this is the return deck, which is all the return air from inside the building going back to the unit. So this is the mixed air damper, the one I show you. This is the exhaust air damper, the one on the top. I show you with the orange part. And this is the outside air damper. Always we have, regardless if the economizer mode enable or disable, still we have some fresh air coming through the minimum outside air damper mixed with the return air and supplied to the building.
Along with these steps, NOCE will still be enforcing basic safety measures, such as mask wearing, social distancing, washing of hands, and urging people to stay home when they're feeling sick. I hope this video shows NOCE's dedication to the health and safety of our community, and that we could alleviate some of the fears of those that are hesitant to return to campus. Please remember that we are in this together, and together we can create a safer campus community. I wish you all good health, and I will see you again soon.